Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Rossa Wijaya and you can call me Ocha. Today I will be teaching you about active and passive voice. The active and passive voices are two grammatical voices. So, what is a voice? Voice refers to the form of a verb that indicates when a subject acts or is the receiver of the action. When the subject performs the action, it is active voice. And when the subject receives the action, it is passive voice. Here's an example. Active, he loves me. Passive, I am loved by him. So here, the subject in active voice is he, the verb is loves, and the object is me. Meanwhile, in the passive voice, the subject is I, the verb is am loved, and the object is him. Here, as you can see, the components are both the same, but the structure differs. Passive sentences describe what happens to the person or the object that performs an action, whereas active sentences describe what happens to the person who does the activity. So, we can conclude that we use active voice when we want to focus on the subject, and we use passive voice when we want to focus on the object. And we can also conclude that the structure of the sentence are generally for active voice, subject, verb, object, and for passive voice, object, verb, subject. Here I want to note that you can only convert active voice to passive voice when there is a transitive verb. What is a transitive verb? Transitive verb is a verb that requires an object in the sentence in order to give it a complete meaning. For example, he bought a book. You cannot just say he bought. It doesn't make sense. On the other hand, there is something called intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is a verb that doesn't require an object. For example, he laughs. She is sleeping. Here you cannot turn it into passive voice because there's no object. Then, moving on. How do you convert active to passive voice in different tenses? There are general formulas that you can follow. Present simple. Active. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. Passive. Object plus is, am, or are plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Simple past tense. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. Passive. Object plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Simple future tense. Subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object. Passive voice. Object plus shall or will plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Present continuous tense. Subject plus is, am, or are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Passive voice. Object is, am, or are, being plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Past continuous tense. Active. Subject was or were, verb 1 plus ing plus object. Passive voice. Object plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Future continuous tense. Active. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Passive voice. Object plus shall or will plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Present perfect tense. Active. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. Passive. Object plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Past perfect tense. Active voice. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Passive voice. Object plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Future perfect tense. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Passive voice. object plus shall or will plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus var plus object pronoun. Here I'll give you some examples of active and passive voices. Present simple. Reporters write news reports. News reports are written by reporters. Present continuous. Michael is baking a brownie. A brownie is being baked by Michael. Past simple. The company hired new workers last year. New workers were hired by the company last year. Past continuous. The salesman was helping the customer when the thief came into the store. The customer was being helped by the salesman when the thief came into the store. Present perfect. They have already discussed the book. The book has already been discussed. Past perfect. He had delivered the letters. The letters had been delivered. Future simple. The company will hire new workers. New workers will be hired by the company. Infinitive. She has to deliver the letters. The letters have to be delivered. Modal. She must deliver the letters. The letters must be delivered. Right, you have reached the end of the lesson. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.